Hello, my name is Sara. Nice to meet you. Welcome to your personal guided tour through our service workshop. Come along with me. Today, you will gain deep insight into the various maintenance steps for your Eppendorf pipette. Ah, I see your pipette is being serviced. Let's watch how Tom is performing the maintenance procedure. Here we are. We will now enter the environmentally controlled zone.
Now, let's take a look at the maintenance of your Xplorer Plus pipette from our Electronic Xplorer series.
Also, you can download a user guide with instructions on routine cleaning in between professional services from our website.
This electronic pipette is now ready for calibration. The electronic and software function tests are also applicable for our electronic multipette E3 and E3X pipettes.
Here you go, your fully maintained and tested pipette. And remember, a well-maintained and calibrated pipette is an accurate and precise one, ensuring reproducible data. See you again for our next service demonstration.